Hey everyone, welcome back to Info Infinity Loop. If you love discovering the stories behind the symbols that shape our world, you're in the right place. Today, let's unravel the surprising, dramatic history of the national flag of Algeria. Struggle, hope, identity. And hey, if you enjoy these deep dives, don't forget to like, share, and smash that subscribe button. So, picture this. It's the early 1800s. Algeria is a land bursting with diverse cultures, but it's about to face a long, tough road. In 1830, France invades, and for more than 130 years, Algeria's own identity is pushed into the shadows. But the Algerian spirit, it never fades. Let's fast forward to the 20th century. It's 1920, and a group of passionate Algerian nationalists dreams of freedom. They want a symbol, something that says, "We are Algeria, and we will rise." That's when the first version of the Algerian flag appears. The design, simple but powerful. A split field of green and white, with a red crescent and star glowing in the center. But what do those colors and symbols mean? Well, green has deep roots in Islamic tradition and represents hope and paradise. White? That stands for peace, something Algeria has fought so hard for. And the red crescent and star, Islam, unity, and also a reminder of the sacrifices made for freedom. Now here's where it gets dramatic. The struggle for independence. In 1954, the Algerian War of Independence erupts. The flag becomes more than a symbol. It turns into a rallying cry. People risk everything to carry it, to wave it, to defend it. It's banned by the colonial authorities, but that just makes it more powerful. Finally, after 8 long years and countless sacrifices, Algeria gains its independence in 1962. The flag is raised high for the first time as the national flag. Imagine the pride, the tears, the relief. Today, whenever you see that green and white banner with its red crescent and star, you're looking at a story of resilience and unity that's inspired millions. So next time you spot the Algerian flag, remember, it's not just fabric. It's a badge of courage, a symbol of hope, and a testament to the unbreakable spirit of a nation. If you found this story as inspiring as I do, please hit like, share with friends, and subscribe for more stories that loop through history and culture. Thanks for joining me today on Info Infinity Loop. See you in the next one.